You might be looking for an online investment platform to invest in your hard-earned money, but having some lucrative offers is enough to be a secure platform? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of Forex trading and taking a closer look at a broker called MakeCapital.com. They advertise a wide range of assets, high leverage, and various account types. MakeCapital.com claims to be registered in Seychelles with an FSA license. However, there are red flags. Independent sources say this license isn't valid, meaning MakeCapital.com lacks proper regulation. This is a major concern, as regulated brokers offer more protection for your money. MakeCapital.com boasts over 150 tradable assets, including Forex, crypto, stocks, and more. Sounds impressive, but without proper regulation, the safety of your funds is questionable. One thing to be very cautious about is MakeCapital's leverage options. They offer the high leverage. This can magnify your profits, but also magnify your losses. Remember, you can lose your entire investment with high leverage. While MakeCapital.com offers a web-based platform and mobile apps, we highly recommend using the industry-standard MT4 or MT5 for its stability and advanced features. If you have been scammed by this scam broker, you can get help from us. BrokerComplaintAlert.com can help you by providing free consultation and recovery service recommendations to help you recover the lost funds. Report your case to us. You will get the link in this video description. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about Forex trading or choosing a broker, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, happy trading!